What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we get to start repairing the 2014 Mustang GT Hertz Penske GT edition, which is a 91 out of 150. And here is a brief look in the car. If you don't know anything about this car, it's a special, only 150 made. 1 out of 10 are manual and the rest of them are automatic. It does come with a GT 500 exhaust, GT 500 spoiler, Laguna Seca dash gauges, obviously GT performance seats, Recaro seats, Brembo brakes, and 302 Boss 302 splitter. And here is the damage. So today we are gonna start disassembling this and see what's wrong and what's bent and what's broken. And then on the next video is gonna be most likely the quarter panel. Shit is finally painted. I didn't record much, but here we go. I think one of my best clears I've thrown, but there's some dirt in it. That's gonna be, I have like 3 or 4 layers of clear, so I'm gonna have to buff it out. And here is, you can see the dust particles, but that's easily buffed out because it is windy today and it was raining. Really kind of awkward, but she is done. Next thing is we're gonna assemble her. Yeah, I had issues with the paint, but thank God the clear came out good. Alright, pretty happy with it. Alright, here is the car. Front end is fully bolted, completed, assembled. I can't take it anyway from here because, yet to another surprise, I found that rear axle is bent, so I can't drive the car. So I will have to do full review video later, but for right now, just enjoy the front end because she is looking sexy. I know it's a little bit dark outside, but the hood is painted. I painted that. Good quality. The bumper, I painted that. Excellent quality. And bam, she's all done. Alright, just as I show you the front end, I'm gonna show you the rear end. The car is absolutely not done yet. I took everything out because I was cleaning and I changed the carpet and also the module. Just got that back today along with the seat. But here is the rear end. There was a little dent here too. Fixed that. Painted the whole quarter panel right here. I still need to wet sand it and buff it, but it's still good. Like, there's a little trash like right here, but it's good. And here is the rear end. The bumper was painted too. And here we go to the side. Okay, so the trunk is not closed, so don't look at that gap right there. Here we go. That was the major problem. That's what was wrong with the car, but we have fixed it, and now she is pretty good. This is where we spliced it, right here and somewhere here, but it's all done and ready to be enjoyed. And oh yeah, I am getting purple lug nuts and new wheels. You're gonna have to see. Stay tuned for that video. Here is the rear end. It's coming out better than expected. So this was gotta go. Here is the front end again. Painted the horse dark and I tinted the side markers. Look at that.
Pretty dope.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Peace.